Leo, answer us!
Mia, did you see Leo?
I can't find him. Look! He's the strongest dinosaur! He's so cool! Don't let anyone touch him. I promise. Just one little flight. One little flight. Oh no! What do I do? Please stay. I'm back. Where's my dinosaur? It's right here. You broke him. I'm sorry. He was my favorite.
Ready for our family picnic?
Let's go.
Leo! My dinosaur is broken. It broke right in half.
Let's have some fun.
Okay. Can we fix it together? I don't want to. Leave me alone. Leo! Oh!
Where are the kids?
They were just here.
Mom! Dad! Leo is gone!
What?
Leo! He went that way.
I'll find him. Leo! Where are you?
Mia, what happened?
I broke Leo's dinosaur. I wanted to fix it. I was too scared to tell him.
Thank you for telling me now.
Have you seen my son?
Sorry, no.
My son is missing. We'll help you.
This is my fault.
We're looking for a 5-year-old boy.
Thank you.
Nobody understands. He thinks I don't care. We need to find him first.
Leo, please answer me.
I wish it wasn't broken. Mom, I know where he might be.
Jack, check the butterfly garden.
Leo. Dad is here.
I miss my dinosaur.
Leo? Leo?
Where am I? Mom! Dad! Mia! I want to go back. I have to find him. Stay close to me.
Leo, please answer me.
Maybe they're there. Have you seen my little brother? Sorry.
Attention, everyone. We are looking for a little boy named Leo.
Dad? Where are you?
Mom! Look! Let's follow them.
I miss Mia.
This is Leo's.
Mia found a clue.
I'm coming.
I wish Mia was here. Leo, please answer me.
Oh. Which way? Which way?
Keep going.
Mom! Dad! Mia!
Are you lost?
Hi, buddy. Are you looking for your family?
Yes. Dad, I'm so sorry.
We'll find him. Let's help you find Mom and Dad.
Okay.
You're safe here.
Thank you.
We found the missing child. Hello? We found Leo.
Leo! Wait for us. Mom? Mom? I'm so sorry. I missed you.
You're safe now.
That's all that matters.
I broke it by accident. I should have told you.
Thank you for telling me.
Toys can be fixed. You're my sister.
Never run away when you're angry. Always tell someone where you're going.
Families solve problems together.
I'm glad everyone is together again.
Thank you so much.
I don't want to get lost again. Neither do I.
Let's fix them together.
Almost done.
It looks great.
Mia, I need to tell you something. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have run away. I'm sorry too.
Everyone makes mistakes. What matters is learning from them.
We always solve problems together.
Can I help? Let's do it together. He's home again. Thank you. Oh, this tower is huge. Let's make it even bigger.
They're smiling again.
That's the best part of today.
I'm staying with you. Me too. We leave together. Always.
Tomorrow will be even better.
As long as we're together. He's perfect. Just like our friendship. Home is the best place. Yes! Tell the truth, even when it's hard.
Never run away when you're angry.
Stay close to your family. Love always brings us back together.